Good morning. Everybody's out and about. The cage is clean. Sorry about that grandfather clock in the background there. Everybody. Nobody in that cage. And look at this one's out to join the crowd. Yeah, hi Pineapple. So they're all out. These are our personal birds. Yes, we have 11 now. We are crazy bird people. Yep. We got 4 adoptables in the other room. We don't put the adoptables with the personal birds. So I think it's mean to build relationships and then have them taken away. So we keep the adoptables in another room. This one has attitude, don't want to be friends with Tweety. But Tweety wants to be friends with Pineapple. Pineapple is not having a whole lot to do with it. So have a good morning, everybody. Aw, Tweety, tired?